10 Effortless Methods to Melt a Man's Heart. Finding ways to connect with and deeply touch a man's heart doesn't always have to be an arduous task. Often, it's the simplest gestures and actions that resonate the most profoundly. In this guide, we delve into 10 effortless methods that can effectively melt a man's heart, fostering a deeper emotional connection and strengthening the bond between partners. As we embark on this journey to understand the intricacies of melting a man's heart, let's first delve into the importance of understanding his love language. 1. Understanding his love language. Each individual possesses a distinct love language, akin to a fingerprint, unique and intrinsic to their being. Unraveling the intricacies of your man's love language is akin to unlocking the secret to his heart. Whether it's through acts of service, heartfelt words of affirmation, quality time spent together, tender physical touch, or thoughtful gifts, understanding his preferred mode of expression can effortlessly pave the path to his deepest affections. By attentively observing how he demonstrates love and discerning what resonates most deeply with him, you embark on a journey of profound connection and intimacy. Each gesture tailored to his love language becomes a potent tool in forging an unbreakable bond, enriching your relationship with depth and resonance. As you navigate the nuances of his love language, you find yourself traversing pathways to his heart with ease, each step drawing you closer to a love that transcends boundaries and withstands the test of time. Moving from understanding his love language, let's explore how genuine appreciation and acknowledgement can serve as potent catalysts in forging a deeper emotional connection. 2. Genuine appreciation and acknowledgement. Just as with anyone, men yearn for recognition and appreciation for their endeavors and unique attributes. By genuinely acknowledging his contributions, regardless of their scale, you can profoundly influence his emotional state and enhance his fondness for you. From expressing gratitude for his unwavering support to commending his admirable qualities, even the simplest gestures possess the power to thaw his heart. These acts of recognition not only validate his efforts but also affirm his value within the relationship, fostering a sense of belonging and connection. Through sincere appreciation, you demonstrate your attentiveness to his efforts and affirm your admiration for his character. As you actively acknowledge his contributions, you sow the seeds of deeper affection and strengthen the foundation of your bond. In this reciprocal exchange of appreciation, you create a dynamic where both partners feel valued and cherished, nurturing a love that flourishes amidst mutual respect and admiration. Now that we've acknowledged the significance of appreciation, let's transition to the art of active listening and empathy in nurturing a strong and lasting bond with your partner. 3. Active listening and empathy. In the intricate tapestry of a healthy relationship, effective communication stands as the cornerstone upon which trust, understanding, and intimacy are built. The art of truly listening to your partner, devoid of judgment or interruption, serves as a profound testament to your respect and empathy for their innermost thoughts and feelings. By actively engaging with their concerns and emotions, you not only validate their experiences but also cultivate a safe haven for vulnerability to thrive. This unguarded exchange of heartfelt dialogue paves the way for a deeper emotional connection to blossom, as both partners feel seen, heard, and valued in the sanctity of their shared space. Through genuine interest and unwavering validation, you nurture a fertile ground where seeds of trust and intimacy take root and flourish. With effective communication at the forefront, let's now venture into the realm of shared experiences and adventures, and how they can serve as building blocks for intimacy and connection. 4. Shared experiences and adventures. Crafting enduring memories through shared escapades and adventures serves as a potent elixir for fortifying the bond between partners, infusing it with vibrancy and fervor. Whether you're setting off on an impromptu road expedition, diving into novel endeavors side by side, or basking in each other's presence amidst the serenity of nature, these joint experiences act as catalysts, igniting a spark of intimacy and camaraderie. As you navigate uncharted territories together, each twist and turn of the journey becomes a shared triumph, weaving the threads of connection tighter between you. Amidst the exhilaration of new discoveries and the solace of familiar companionship, a profound sense of closeness blossoms, anchoring you to each other in a tapestry of cherished moments. These shared escapades serve as treasured chapters in the narrative of your relationship, etching memories that endure through the passage of time. With each adventure embarked upon hand in hand, the bond between you deepens, fueled by the shared laughter, challenges overcome, and the unwavering support found in the embrace of your partner. 5. Unexpected acts of kindness. Infusing your relationship with unexpected acts of kindness can be a delightful way to showcase your thoughtfulness and deepen the bond between you and your partner. Whether it's whipping up his favorite meal as a surprise, leaving a heartfelt note tucked away for him to discover, or orchestrating a memorable date night filled with shared laughter and romance, these seemingly small gestures possess an undeniable power to resonate deeply within his heart. Each thoughtful action serves as a poignant reminder of your love and appreciation, leaving an indelible imprint upon his soul. As he witnesses the care and effort you invest in nurturing your relationship, his affection for you blossoms, growing ever deeper with each act of kindness bestowed upon him. These gestures, though seemingly effortless, hold the capacity to evoke profound emotions, bridging the gap between partners and fostering a connection that transcends the ordinary. In the tapestry of your relationship, these moments of tenderness weave threads of warmth and intimacy, enriching the fabric of your shared experiences. So, embrace the joy of surprising your man with acts of kindness, for in doing so, you not only touch his heart but also nurture the love that binds you together. Transitioning from acts of kindness, let's now explore the importance of support and encouragement in nurturing a sense of security and trust between partners. 6. Support and encouragement. Navigating the ebbs and flows of life alongside your partner serves as a crucible for strengthening the bonds of your relationship and cultivating a profound emotional connection. Whether celebrating the peaks or weathering the troughs, being a steadfast source of support is paramount. From offering words of encouragement that uplift his spirits to extending a compassionate ear, ready to listen without judgment, your unwavering presence during life's trials speaks volumes of your love and commitment. In moments of adversity, your steadfast support becomes a beacon of reassurance, illuminating the path forward and melting away any doubts or fears that may linger in his heart. Through your unwavering devotion, you affirm not only your partnership but also your unwavering belief in his resilience and strength. Each instance of support offered serves as a testament to the depth of your connection, forging a bond that withstands the tests of time and adversity alike. So, embrace the role of a supportive partner wholeheartedly, for in doing so, you not only strengthen your bond but also nurture a love that flourishes amidst life's myriad challenges. Now that we've discussed the significance of support, let's delve into the role of physical affection and intimacy in deepening the emotional connection between you and your partner. 7. Physical affection and intimacy. Physical touch serves as a potent language of love, capable of transcending words and conveying emotions with unparalleled depth and intensity within a relationship. Whether it's the warmth of a tender embrace, the gentle sweep of a caress, or the intimacy shared in a moment of closeness, each gesture of physical affection holds the power to deepen the emotional connection between you and your partner. By prioritizing intimate moments and carving out sacred spaces for physical closeness, you not only nurture a sense of intimacy but also fortify the bond that binds you together. These moments of shared physicality become the threads that weave the fabric of your relationship, imbuing it with warmth, security, and passion. As you indulge in the language of touch, you ignite a flame of passion that burns brightly within your partnership, infusing it with vitality and fervor. So, embrace the power of physical affection wholeheartedly, for in doing so, you not only melt his heart but also nurture a love that flourishes in the tender embrace of your touch. Transitioning from physical affection, let's now explore the importance of honesty and transparency in fostering trust and vulnerability within your relationship. 8. Honesty and transparency. In the intricate tapestry of love, trust forms the bedrock upon which enduring relationships are built, with honesty standing as its unwavering cornerstone. Embracing openness and transparency in your interactions with your partner lays the groundwork for cultivating a deep sense of trust and forging an unbreakable emotional connection. By courageously sharing your innermost thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you invite your partner into the sanctum of your being, fostering a bond steeped in authenticity and vulnerability. In the tender exchange of vulnerabilities and fears, you not only deepen your intimacy but also melt away any barriers that may stand between you, allowing your love to flourish unencumbered. Each moment of raw honesty becomes a testament to the strength of your bond, strengthening the ties that bind you together with an unyielding force. So, embrace the power of honesty wholeheartedly, for in doing so, you not only nurture trust but also kindle a flame of love that burns brightly in the warmth of your openness and vulnerability. With trust and vulnerability established, let's now shift our focus to the importance of respecting your partner's independence and autonomy in maintaining a healthy and balanced relationship. 9. Respect for his independence and autonomy. While nurturing your relationship holds significance, it's equally vital to honor your partner's autonomy and independence. Encouraging them to explore their passions, hobbies, and interests outside of the relationship not only showcases your respect for their individuality but also strengthens the bond between you. By fostering an environment where your partner feels empowered to pursue their personal endeavors, you demonstrate your unwavering support and admiration for their autonomy. As they embark on their journey of personal growth and self-discovery, your encouragement becomes a beacon of affirmation, igniting a profound sense of affection within them. By celebrating their achievements and milestones, you affirm your role as their biggest cheerleader and ally, effortlessly melting their heart. In honoring their autonomy, you cultivate a relationship grounded in mutual respect and admiration, where each partner thrives independently while flourishing together. So, embrace the beauty of individuality within your relationship, for in doing so, you not only deepen your bond but also nurture a love that celebrates the uniqueness of each partner. Finally, having explored various aspects of nurturing a deep connection, let's conclude by emphasizing the importance of unconditional love and acceptance in solidifying your bond and melting your partner's heart completely. 10. Unconditional love and acceptance. Above all else, offering your partner unconditional love and acceptance can profoundly impact his emotional well-being and melt his heart in ways you never thought possible. Embracing him for who he is, flaws and all, and loving him unconditionally can create a deep sense of security and belonging, strengthening your bond and fostering a love that knows no bounds. In conclusion, melting a man's heart doesn't always require grand gestures or elaborate displays of affection. By understanding his love language, expressing genuine appreciation and acknowledgement, and fostering open communication and trust, you can effortlessly deepen your emotional connection and strengthen the bond between you and your partner. Incorporating these 10 effortless methods into your relationship can melt his heart and pave the way to a love that lasts a lifetime.